can't have enough extensions. So the first most important thing is positioning the jack, finding a solid position for it, and also leaving enough room to put the jacks down underneath. We get some clear vision here, so I can see it. There it is. So I'm going to point at it right there. Right there. So this is what we're replacing right here. So we obviously can't get that from the top. My arms are too big, they just won't reach down. And so we got to go in from underneath and get that done. So let's do that. You gotta go really slow so that the other stand doesn't begin to tilt. So you gotta take it carefully. That's what I'm trying to do here. Nice and gently. Bang. Now the vehicle's secured. Got this one. You got that one over there, and I leave the jack underneath for extra support. So we're going to be taking the wheel off using some homemade tools. Look at that, an old table leg. So that gives you the leverage you need in order to loosen the lug nuts off. So it's worked for me for a while now. So. Get your tools ready, makes the job faster. I don't have power tools, do everything manually. Slide the tire into the car for extra support. One of the most important assets in a man's toolbox. Boom. There you go. Without that, it's going to be hard to take out a nut without snapping it, so you really need to place some in there nicely. Another friend Jigaloo. That wasn't coming off easy. Guarantee it. I've been spraying white grease on that since last year. got one bolt out.